channel. My name is Veena, and from today onwards I will be doing Vlogmas, where I will be uploading new video every single day till 25th of December. So I'm super excited. This is my first Vlogmas. So if you love this concept or love watching my videos, then come and join my elephant family by hitting that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be doing winter glam makeup look under 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Winter can make our skin dry, dull and flaky, so moisturizing is must for this season. Here I am applying glycerin onto my face. This will hydrate my skin and keeps our makeup for a longer period of time. After skincare, I will be applying my foundation. Here I am using Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and I will be applying this lightly on my face with the damp beauty blender. Try to use cream or liquid or mousse foundation during this month and avoid matte finish product as much as possible. For the concealer, I will be applying Wet n Wild concealer. I am applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and around my mouth. I'm looking like a bhutni here, so I will blend everything well really quickly. After blending, I am going to set my concealer and keep it in place by using Maybelline compact powder. By using little compact powder, I am only setting the concealer here. Then I am applying blush to my cheeks. Here I am using Maybelline cream blush. Moving on to eyes, I am using only one product to create this eye makeup. That is this Lotus Blue liner. I am gonna line my upper lashes first. I am drawing a thick line till my crease here. Then with the pencil brush, I am blending the edges. Only blend the outer edges slowly to create that smoky look. I am also going to line my lower lash line by using the same blue liner. Then with the pencil brush, I will blend the liner. Then by using Wet n Wild black liner, I am going to draw a thin line on my upper lash line. Next I am tightening my waterline by using Faces Kohl pencil. Now I am going to curl my lashes and apply generous coats of mascara to my both upper and lower lashes by using Maybelline Volume Express mascara. This will open up my eyes and give that extra volume to my lashes. Here I am lightly filling my eyebrows by using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I am following natural shape of my eyebrows and lightly shaping them in. By using Revlon highlighter, I am going to highlight my face, highlighting highest point of my cheeks, brow bone, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and on my chin. Lastly, I am applying Lakme pink lip crayon to my lips. And the look is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling.